So this question tells you that there are three forces with magnitudes 7 newtons, 9 newtons, and 12 newtons, and they're all in equilibrium. So we know that the net force between all of them is going to be 0 because they're in equilibrium. So when you draw them all tip to tail. So because the resultant is 0. So they ask you to find the angle between the two largest forces. To start, I'm going to find this angle because when you figure it out, you realize that 9 newtons and 12 newtons are going to end up like this because the angle between the two is always tail to tail. So it's easiest to just find the angle when they're connected in equilibrium like this, and then figure out your resultant angle there. So to figure out the angle theta here, I use the cosine formula, and I eventually end up with angle A is approximately equal to 35.4 degrees. So then when I go back and I draw out all of my angles, you know that this would be 180 degrees if you just take the equilibrium of the original angle. So then you take 180 degrees and you subtract 35.4 degrees, and you end up with your resulting angle is 144.6 degrees. So the angle between the two largest forces is approximately 144.6 degrees.